Okay, so hi all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I am Himanshu, and with us we have one of our students, Niranjan, who has attended the interview round of Accenture, which happened today, which is a technical come HR round after clearing the first round. So, Niranjan, without wasting any time, we would like to know what are the type of questions which was asked to you and your friends today in the interview.
Okay, sir. Starting with few of the questions that were asked to me, the first and the most common question is, tell me about yourself. Like 2 or 3 minutes, in 2 or 3 minutes span, we'll have to explain our complete. We have to sell ourselves in 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay.
And after that, the next question popped was about the projects. What are the projects you have done, and what's your final year project that you have taken up?
Okay.
And what made you select that project apart from being from instrumentation? My project was basically on artificial intelligence and computer vision. So we asked you being from electronics and instrumentation, you have chosen one which is totally out of your domain. Why have you done so? So I had to explain him, saying my interests and all those.
Okay.
And yeah, the next question was, how did you make use of the quarantine or this pandemic while there was no colleges and all? And he also asked about the situation, corona situation in my place.
Okay.
And similarly, I asked about his situation out there. And the most important one which he stressed a lot was situation based questions, like how did you handle a situation, or have you come up with a situation where you had to negotiate with people, and how did you handle it? And he also asked about few of the extra curriculum and co-curriculum activities which I had participated in, and I had explained him pretty well.
Okay, two questions, Niranjan.
Yes,
One
sir.
is whatever co-curricular activities that he asked, was it mentioned in your resume?
Yes, sir. Every question was framed within the resume, no question out of it.
And one more, you told that he asked situation based.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what negotiation that he was talking about?
Okay. He asked like any situation where you had to negotiate with people and come to a final decision. So I explained like one of the situations which I had in my club. So I had to negotiate with everyone for a send off.
Okay.
So that was the situation for giving a send off to seniors. That was the situation, like we had to consider the juniors exams, pandemic and all those, and finally the dates were changed. So I explained him how I managed to do that. So he was pretty impressed by it.
Okay.
And a few of my friends were asked, what is the difference between Java and C programming, like time complexity and all those. He had explained them. And which is the difficult subject that you have come across in your branch? This was one of the questions that was asked to many of them.
Okay.
There were very few technical questions because their main aim was to check the HR. Anyhow, they'll be training us and giving few of the assessments. So another common question was, a work requires about 15 days, but you are asked to do it within a week or two. Then how will you manage the stress, or how will you take up the project? How organized, to check how organized we take up the things.
So what did you answer?
Sir, this was not my question. It was asked to one of my friends.
Okay. So 15 days work, if you're supposed to do it in 1 week or 2 weeks, how would you try to do it?
As a fresher.
As a fresher, okay.
And a few, and why Accenture? Why did you choose Accenture?
Okay.
And one more question that popped for me was, can you explain a real world implementation of AI? I gave him the live example, that the video proctoring that was done to us while assessments.
Okay, so basically, when you told that you're interested in AI, he did ask questions on AI.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
And a few others were asked, like, which are the programming languages they are comfortable with, and few questions on those programming languages, and few questions on the projects they have done
Hmm.
or we have done. And one more question was, how different are you from others? Why should we hire you? Similar,
Okay.
like similar thing.
Hmm.
So and these were some of the questions.
Okay. So how different are you from others? If this question is asked, how would we answer? How would you answer this? How different are you from others?
Like few of the courses that I have done while many others haven't.
Yeah, you could tell that. Yeah, I have done these courses.
Yeah.
Okay, I am into all this. If no courses is done, then you could say that I would be ready to work go the extra mile to do the work on time.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No, so
Yes.
that we can do. I would love to take up initiatives. I would love to, do it from my heart
Yes,
rather
sir.
than just doing it for these many number of hours per day.
Yes.
Correct? Because I feel I'm very sincere to whatever I do. So something like this we could tell, which not many would be like that, being sincere towards their work. Not only, just doing the work and going helping people around. I would like to help my group mates who are
Yes, sir.
in need, all that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He mainly focused on seeing if a person is team player or not.
Ha.
Like, are you good at a team or a individual player?
Okay.
That was one of the questions to my friends.
Okay. Are you a good team player or not? Yeah. See, these type of questions. Huh. Okay. So that's all. That was the number of questions asked.
Yes, sir. These were the few of the questions that are more repetitively asked to my friends.
Okay. So there are few more questions which were asked to our students from Quant Master Niranjan. The
Okay.
questions were, tell me about yourself, which was asked to you also.
Yes, a very common
Okay.
question.
And what are the projects that you have done? So again, which was asked to you, they ask a lot about projects. Okay. Whatever projects we do, they do drill in the concepts on that. Am I
Yes,
right,
sir.
Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, how is your project unique from others? They ask. And why did you choose that project? Okay, what is the feedback given by your friends?
Yes, sir.
They
This was
ask.
one of the questions for me indeed.
Okay. And tell me a situation where you had a quarrel with your friends during the project time. This also was asked to one of our students. And then what are the applications on which your project is based on? Okay, so basically detailing about your project. Do you have any question to ask us? This was also asked. Was it asked to you, Niranjan?
Yes, sir. It was the final question.
Okay, so did you ask any question?
No, sir. I had nothing to ask because he introduced himself before starting the interview.
Okay. But next time, no, whenever they tell you want to ask anything, you can just tell them, sir, what technology would I have to learn so that it will help us in our company when we get selected. Okay, so what can I improve on? What are the technologies which I can improve on so that it will help me and the company grow?
Okay, sir.
It shows
I'll
that
be.
you're inquisitive to learn more.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No? Yeah. And one
I'll
more
include
student
in my
has,
next interview.
huh?
I will for sure include this in my next interview.
Next interview, hopefully, it will be for a three
TCS.
times more package that you attend.
Yes, sir. Hopefully.
Okay. And one more student texted saying, sir, they asked me, tell me about yourself. What is my favorite subject? Which subject you do not like how you mentioned?
Yes, sir. Toughest subject.
Yeah. And what are the problems you faced during your project?
Yes, sir. It
Correct?
was asked to me.
Correct. And it went on for 15 to 20 minutes, sir. And then they asked, do you have any questions to ask us?
Yes.
Okay. And
Sir,
the student told no.
for few it was like 5 or 10 minutes even.
Okay.
For
And they
few it
don't
was 20.
specify, for which role they are taking. They don't tell that.
No, sir, not it, because there are two roles. Depending on the final cumulative marks, they'll be deciding it.
Correct. No, so your interview also will have marks for sure.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Based on your
Yes.
interview, they might select you for ASC or SE, Associate
sir.
Software Engineer or Software Engineer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then even they asked inspiration behind the project, difficulties faced in project. How are you managing working in a team? So this is what was asked. And one more student told, so they asked a lot about our project. At first, they asked me to describe myself. They asked face difficulties during the project and how did you overcome that? So basically, most of the questions are asked on project itself.
Yes, sir. No question apart from what we have mentioned in the resume.
Correct. And one more student has told, what is your project about? How did you get the idea of the project? What was your role in the project? Based on my role, sir, they asked me questions on that. What is the use of your project in real time? Modification needed in the project. Okay, and then they asked her, what are the cultural activities you have done? Do you help your friends in their project or studies? Okay, all these questions were asked. Tell me one reason why I should not select you. This question was asked.
The toughest one.
Yeah, this is like a trap question. One reason why you should not select me. So if they ask something like this to me, no, one reason why they should not select me, if I give them a real reason, I will be rejected for sure.
Yes, sir.
So something like might be by aggregate is not to the toppers level. Might be there are people who have more aggregate than me. So if you're judging with respect to aggregate, then yeah, you can reject me for that.
That would be a better reason.
Yeah. Okay. So these were the questions asked in today's Accenture interview in technical cum HR round. Again, coming back to the technical, Niranjan, can you please give a bit more light on what was the technical questions asked? You told time complexity was asked.
Yeah, no, sir. Like he explained about time complexity and all those when he was asked the difference between Java and C programming.
Okay. Okay.
Like he mentioned in his resume that he knows Java, Python, C, C++, and all.
Okay.
So he asked what's the difference between Java and C, and how is C different from Python, that is interpreted and compiled language, and all those he had to answer.
Okay.
So, and mostly the questions were based on projects. Why did you select? How did you come up with this idea?
True. So technically, even if they're asking technical, it was all basic level. They're not digging too much into it.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was about the questions asked in today's interview. I hope this video helps you all to prepare better for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We from Quant Masters wish you all the best, and thank you, Niranjan, for helping us out. Take care. Take care, people. All the very best. Again, have a good day.